Howdy Canada here, Mark Canada, and today is Wednesday, the 5th of March 2025, and this is Highway 3, and this is past Dundas, past Northfield, past Dundas, on the way to Faribault area, and this is what the highway looked like right now. We had a lot of snow last night. And this is what the roads look like right now. So we had to clean off a lot of snow off of the car this morning before we can get it going. And this is what the roads look like again. This is what it looks like. So anyway. So we have to drive gingerly. So this morning we got a few inches. We probably got like, I don't know, maybe 6 inches.
Probably got more than that.
We probably got more than 6 inches this morning because it snowed overnight. It snowed overnight and we got a few inches, so we had to dig our way out of there. But here we are. So as you can see, the road is all white. It's a blacktop road, it's paved, but you can tell they did plow. But as you can see, that the road is all still covered with snow. So we just have to drive gingerly. Yeah, we gotta take our time. Alright, so I'm going to dispense with the filming for now. Well, after we pass this car right here. It's a truck. So look at the semi. It's a truck. A work truck. Alright, I think I'm going to dispense with the filming for now. Signing off. There you go.